Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We are witnessing the most horrific events against our Palestinian brothers and sisters, where people are being just killed, innocent people just being bombed by the air, by the sea, by the land. We're witnessing naked hypocrisy and support of this oppression. We are witnessing lies from the oppressor. You know, the comments coming out of the people in Gaza who are trapped, they are comments like, we are surrounded by death and we are in a place where we have 50, 100, 200 people. We have nothing. We have no water, no food, we have nothing. And then they read Kalima Shahada and they say, we are just waiting now because being dead is better than this. And what can we do in the face of this barbarism? Well, everyone can do and should do something. If you have a voice, you should use it. If you have a computer, you should use it. If you have the ability to influence somebody, influence them. And the most important thing, remember, we are dealing with a bully here, and there is only one way to deal with a bully, and that is you have to impose a solution. And now I turn to the Muslim leaders of Muslim countries and the ambassadors. You know, you've been showing flags on buildings, making lovely denouncements and all this in speeches, but that's not good enough. Okay? That's not good enough anymore. You are using brothers and sisters as pawns in this stupid little political game, and the blood is flowing freely. Everyone will be questioned. Everyone will be asked about this, and everyone can do something. We are not powerless. We are not ignorant. We are not stupid. But inactivity, inaction, sitting back and watching this is not good enough anymore. So if we need to change this, then we need to do something to help the situation. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the tawfiq, the ability, the wisdom, the strength to stop this horrific, barbaric activity that is going on. An oppressor is really like somebody who's like a rapist. They're raping somebody, and when the person being raped fights back, when she fights back, the rapist says, I'm the victim. And that's what the oppressor does. They play the victim even though they are the perpetrator. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the strength and the tawfiq and help our brothers and sisters. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.